At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting an aviation company can be both exciting and challenging. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Market research. Understand the aviation industry, including market trends, potential competitors, target customers, and regulatory requirements. Identify gaps or opportunities in the market that your company can address. 2. Business plan. Develop a comprehensive business plan outlining your company's mission, vision, goals, target market, services offered, marketing strategy, operational plan, and financial projections. This plan will serve as a roadmap for your business and will be essential for attracting investors or securing loans. 3. Legal structure and registration. Choose a legal structure for your company, e.g., sole proprietorship, partnership, corporation, and register your business with the appropriate government authorities. Obtain any necessary licenses and permits to operate an aviation business in your region. 4. Location. Decide on the location for your aviation company. Consider factors such as proximity to airports, availability of hangars or office space, and accessibility for customers and employees. 5. Fleet acquisition. Determine the type of aviation services you will offer and acquire the necessary aircraft or fleet. Whether you're starting a charter service, flight training school, or maintenance facility, ensure your aircraft meet safety regulations and industry standards. 6. Staffing. Hire skilled personnel with experience in aviation operations, maintenance, administration, and customer service. Your team may include pilots, mechanics, flight instructors, administrative staff, and sales representatives. 7. Safety and regulatory compliance. Develop strict safety protocols and ensure compliance with aviation regulations set by aviation authorities such as the FAA, Federal Aviation Administration, in the United States, or ESA, European Union Aviation Safety Agency, in Europe. Safety should be a top priority in all aspects of your operations. 8. Marketing and branding. Create a strong brand identity and develop marketing strategies to promote your aviation services. Utilize online and offline channels such as websites, social media, industry events, and partnerships with travel agencies or corporate clients. 9. Insurance. Obtain comprehensive insurance coverage for your aircraft, employees, passengers, and business operations. Aviation insurance is essential to protect your assets and mitigate financial risks associated with accidents or liabilities. 10. Launch and operations. Once all preparations are complete, launch your aviation company and begin offering your services to customers. Focus on delivering exceptional customer experiences, maintaining safety standards, and building a reputation for reliability and professionalism. 11. Continuous improvement. Continuously evaluate and improve your operations, services, and customer satisfaction levels. Stay updated on industry trends, technology advancements, and regulatory changes to adapt and grow your aviation business effectively. Starting an aviation company requires careful planning, dedication, and adherence to industry regulations. By following these steps and staying committed to excellence, you can establish a successful aviation business in a competitive market. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.